Hey everyone, I'm WIGO Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, WIGO stands for When You Get Old. Alright, warning, I'm a little cranky. First off, my icon box arrived really late. I just arrived today on Tuesday, February 19th. People have uploaded their unboxing videos well over a week to a week and a half ago. So if you're watching this, thank you. Really appreciate the support. Second, my choices were horrific. So bad. I changed my profile to be mostly makeup, yet of the 3 choices, and I had 6 products per choice, only 4 of those 18 products were makeup. The rest were skincare or a couple were hair care items. 4. And I only count 2 of the 4 as actual makeup because one was a brow gel. Hello, I never do my brows, and my profile says to rarely get that product. The second was a mascara, which again, my profile says to rarely get, mainly because I only wear waterproof mascara and Ipsy only sends regular mascaras. All right, little mini rant, somewhat over. But when I get to the products I chose, I will share what my choices were. If you're watching this, I presume you already know what Ipsy is. Just in case there's one random person here, it's a beauty subscription, and the icon box is an upgrade which happens 4 times a year, once per quarter, which costs $60. That's like double. It's like $30 more than the normal box. You also get 8 products instead of 5, and you get to choose 3 of the 8 products. All right. Well, first things first, I'm somewhat happy because I feel foam. So yay to the foam. They stopped putting it in and our products were just rattling around. All right, the other thing I forgot to mention is that an icon box is curated by a celebrity or known entity. This month's box was curated by the lovely, beautiful, gorgeous Gwen Stefani. She does have her own makeup line. All right, enough of rambling. The first product that Ipsy put in my box is a big ol' because I say I don't want to get mascaras, or I want them rarely. So this here is from KVD Beauty. This is the full sleeve tubing mascara. This one, it's a tubing mascara, which is, I've only dipped my toe into one tubing mascara and it wasn't horrible compared to a regular mascara. So this one, I'm a little upset, but because it's tubing, not as upset as I normally would be. The KVD mascara retails for $25. Ipsy, please start paying attention to people's profile. All right, the next item they put in my box, oh yes. This here is super bougie, super overpriced in my opinion. It's from GOLDFADEN MD and it's the Supreme Serum. If you haven't already watched somebody's unboxing, buckle up because this 30 ml serum retails for $235. Yeah, you heard me right. $235? Why? Okay, I just opened it, not how you're supposed to open it because I'm like that. I probably just swiped $5 onto my thumb there. I just wanted to see, like, no, it doesn't even have a scent. Feels like a nice serum, but you don't need to spend that kind of money. Now, am I glad I got a super bougie product in my box? Yes, sort of. What if I really like it? I'm never going to buy that again. Let me know how you feel about getting ultra bougie products. If it's makeup, I feel a lot better. Skincare, because you empty it pretty quick, not so much. All right, the next item, what is this? Got a big pink box. This here is from KIRAMOON, and it's Silkie Rinse Gentle Hydrating Facial Cleanser. Did I mention that my profile was set to mostly makeup? It's taped. I'm not even going to open it. It's a facial cleanser. It's 6 ounces from a brand I've never heard of. It retails for $28, which isn't super pricey, but is a little pricier, particularly for a brand never heard of. $28, I would expect Fenty to charge. All right, next product. Yay! I got something from Gwen Stefani's line, Give. This here is the High Performance Matte Lipstick in the shade Original Me. I love her packaging. It's plastic, but like a nicer plastic. Is it magnetized? No. But it does click. All right, let's take a look. Okay, it's not the perfect shade for me. It's on the verge of being too dark. The question is, should I swatch it or not? I'm going to just move on to the next product so this video won't be 18 hours long. This next product is the one and only product I was actually excited to see in my box. This here is from Rare Beauty, and it's the Warm Wishes Effortless Bronzer Stick. Now, let's pray to God it's a good shade for me. This is in the shade Bright Side. I love the packaging. It's like a very, very soft pink with some metal lid and bottom. That looks a little dark, but hopefully it will blend out once it's on your skin. Okay, so just gonna use my finger. I guess that's good. Yeah. It's a hair, a little orangey, but not as bad as others. Yeah, I think that will be good. So what Ipsy put in my bag? No. I feel I got the bait and switch on several products. All right, so this is what I chose. So I picked this product here from LANEIGE, which is a retinol firming cream. If I'm picking skincare, first off, possibly that choice only had skincare to choose from. I went for a brand that is really nice, LANEIGE. Interesting packaging. It has a big old sticker on it. Why do you have to learn how to use something? I don't know. The retinol cream is 15 ml and retails for $39, which is a standard or middle of the road price, where if I fell in love with this, I would definitely consider picking it up. All right, the next product I selected is from Tarte. This here is the Double Take, which is a dual-sided eyeliner. One side is a gel eyeliner, the second side is a liquid liner, and I know this because I've owned and emptied it before, and I really enjoy it. Now, I normally don't pick up eyeliners, but again, selections were not good. And I do use this type of a product every single day, so I know it will get put to use. Plus, I have used this specific one, and I really enjoyed it. Does that mean I was thrilled to select an eyeliner that I've already tried before? No. All right, now the last item, I'm still like, what did I do? First, I'm going to share with you what the choices were. All right, can you see the conundrum? Now, you may be surprised what I ended up selecting. I myself am questioning my decision, but at the time I was so disappointed, and I was like at work and couldn't sit there and ponder. I went for it. I picked up from Trophy Skin the BrightenMD. I don't know, what is it? Some kind of magical little wand with red light that I'm super lazy and probably will never ever use. It is sealed in plastic, so I'm not even going to take it out right now because I don't know if I'm going to use it yet. But this bad boy retails for $99. Yes. So between that product and the $235 GOLDFADEN MD Serum, my box value is going to be upwards of $300, possibly $400. It's going to be high. That doesn't necessarily mean that the box was spectacular. The one product I really, really, really wanted was a foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. Was it in my bag? No. Was it offered as a choice? No. Was it offered in add-ons? Yes. And I was lucky enough to snag it. Was I annoyed that I had to spend 18 of my own dollars to get it? Yes, I was. However, that is a good deal compared to the regular price. This is what the outer packaging looks like. This is the Beautiful Skin Foundation. I got it in the shade 2 Neutral. This here is what the actual packaging looks like. I love this type of packaging where it's a squeezy tube with a pump. 2 Neutral, that looks in the tube a little dark, but let's take her for a test spin because there's no way for me to return this or exchange it. All right, interesting. It's a little on the yellow side, but no, it is a doable shade. So yay to that. I saw people get this in their bag. They didn't have to spend any extra money. Ipsy. When someone says mostly makeup, hello, this is makeup. I also got a product that I thought would have come in my January box because that's when I made the selection. I had a bunch of points that were going to expire, and they hardly ever have anything that I want, but I didn't want to lose my points. So I went for this product here from MISCHO. This is the Sheer Glow Primer. Yeah, I'm picking a primer because I didn't want a cleanser, and I was hoping that this would be similar to the Hollywood Flawless Filter, or, you know, the e.l.f., whatever they call their dupe. You know, like a primer that's really glowy. Surprisingly, it has a little bit of coloration to it, which surprised me. That will be fun to try. Yeah, so more makeup from my add-on and point redemption than actually in my box. All right, let's recap everything I got in the February 2024 Ipsy Icon Box. I got the Trophy Skin BrightenMD Face and Neck Tool, the LANEIGE Retinol Firming Cream Treatment, the Full Sleeve Tubing Mascara from KVD Beauty, a Gentle Hydrating Facial Cleanser from KIRAMOON, the High Performance Matte Lipstick from Give by Gwen Stefani, the Supreme Serum from GOLDFADEN MD, the Double Take Eyeliner from TARTE, and the Warm Wishes Effortless Bronzing Stick from Rare Beauty. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, no. I've seen so many people get such good boxes, and I swear half of them didn't even have their profile set to mostly makeup. You would think the eyeshadow palette from Dominique Cosmetics that they were spoiling left and right, that all of the influencers received in their PR box would have gone to somebody whose profile was set to mostly makeup. Did I get the eyeshadow? No. I really wanted the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. Luckily, I was able to pick it up in add-ons, but I shouldn't have to do that. Let me know if I'm being a little too cranky. I just, seriously, I swear I got the worst box ever. I'm not huge into matte lipsticks, and this shade is too dark for me. As I explained earlier, I love black eyeliner. I have used this product before. I know I will enjoy it. Retinol, good. This here, seriously, who, tell me if you would spend $235 on a serum. The Rare Beauty Bronze Stick. So to me in this box, these are the only two makeup products I will love, use, and enjoy. I do use skincare, but I don't like having so much skincare. This is tubing mascara. No thanks. Don't know why I picked this up. I think maybe I want to try it. I don't know. A cleanser from a brand I've never heard of. Really? I'm going to list the MSRP total value. Yeah, she's going to be high because two products alone retail for $334. So during editing, I'm fairly certain I will discover this box value is over $400. Again, price doesn't always make me happy. Here is a good example of that. Did I at least get my $60 worth? Barely. I'm mainly just really disappointed in Ipsy because I feel the old bait and switch. They show all these great things and I'm super excited. I was so excited when Choice Day came and immediately was like, wah, wah. All right, I better stop filming or else I will continue to gripe and moan, and we don't want this video to be super long. If you've made it this far, leave me a lipstick or a red lip kiss emoji so that I know those of you who really support me and watch all the way through. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.